Hey guys, it's Isabel Bedoya. Welcome back to my Hey guys, it's Isabel Bedoya. Welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know who I am, I just said it. It's Isabel Bedoya. And in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the new Rare Beauty makeup brand, which is Selena Gomez's new makeup brand. This mosquito is gonna be the death of me. I'm gonna kill it. Hold up. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so it opens up pretty cool into 4 really cool sections. Right here we have, I already took out the beauty. I sprayed the spray and now it's taking over. The first area is the foundations, the beauty blender, which I'm so excited to try. I love trying new beauty sponges. And then the second area we have, I think these are cream blushes, some liquid highlighters. Hold up, this is heavy. Oh my goodness. The second compartment is the lippies. I'm pretty sure these are liquid lipsticks and then lipsticks. And then we have some brushes. I'm pretty sure that's for the foundation. Some illuminating primer. Behind this, some setting spray, brow product, and a liquid eyeliner. And then some blotting papers that I won't be using because I don't really need that. I love this packaging. It's like KKW meets Fenty. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that, but it's like a great mix of both of them. I love the like a baby pink, like very washed out pink. That's why I wore this to match it. I should have done this before. I already wet up the sponge, which grew a lot. It was pretty tiny before. I love the shape. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna be giving y'all the prices and what the product is supposed to do. I'm not getting paid to do this tutorial. I just was really intrigued by it and I wanna let y'all know if it's worth it. So I'm gonna start off with the illuminating primer. Ooh. It doesn't really have a scent to it, which I like. It's very lightweight, it's so pretty. Oh my god. It needs to die. I killed it. I don't know where it went. I didn't kill it. I can still hear it. This primer retails for $26 and it says it's a weightless universal gel primer enriched with ultrafine pearls for a lit from within glow. And like I said, it did feel pretty lightweight before I read that. They sent me 3 foundations. Showed me 3 foundations. And I think this one's too light. For sure. I think this one's too dark. And I love this packaging. I don't know, there's just something about this that really like, I think this is my shade. Yeah. It's so annoying. I feel like every time I do a video, there's a freaking fly. The foundations retail for $29 and it says it's a foundation exfoliator that feels barely there while building coverage and boosting your natural glow. Available in 48 shades. Okay, Rare Beauty. This blender is so pretty, I don't even want to dirty it. She's really giving me coverage. Okay, that blended really nicely. I don't know what it is. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if it's the makeup sponge that is making it. It doesn't look that like flawless in person. So I'm just gonna go in with this concealer. By the way, I use shade 250W and I'm gonna use the 250W concealer. So are they the same shade? No. Interesting. Ooh, I love this wand. It's like a diamond tip, which I love. This is just to conceal and then I'm gonna brighten up with the lighter shade. I'm gonna grab the Rare Beauty, there's no name brush and blend this out. And they actually blend so good, so good. But I feel like this one took away more product, you guys can see it, and then this one just kind of blended it and didn't take off any product. So I'm gonna reapply a little bit right here. I love that this brush really kind of just gets in here. The concealer retails for $19 and it says a moisturizing buildable concealer that melts seamlessly into skin for undetectable cake-free coverage. Available in 48 shades as well. Love that. Oh, I forgot. I forgot there's eliminating drops. No. Maybe I could just use this on top of what I already got going on. This is the Positive Light Liquid Luminizer, $22, a silky second skin liquid highlighter that creates a lasting soft luminous finish, available in 8 shades. I should have put this before my foundation, but that's bright. And I'm putting this where I usually highlight. I think it's so cool that she took out her makeup line because I don't know, I just wanted like a fellow Latina to like just do it. And she did it. It's so unexpected. I don't know. Am I the only one that like would never think she would take out a makeup line? Oh, that looks so nice. Oh my god. Okay, I'm excited. Ooh. Now I'm gonna highlight my under eye with the 230N. And I just live for the packaging. I love how you could just, you know, just like hold it from there. Now we're gonna make my nose skinny because you know she likes her nose skinny. I really love this applicator. Like I love it. I've never tried one like that. I don't think anyone has applicators like this. But you guys can see how full coverage the concealers are because it covered my tattoo completely. And now we're gonna go in, I don't know, which one should I do? I'm gonna do one side this one and the other side this one. These are their cream blushes, I believe. Yeah, so these are called the Soft Pinch Liquid Blush, and I love that name because it's like, you know, when somebody pinches your cheeks and you get like nice and pink. So these are a long-lasting blush that blends and builds beautifully for a soft, healthy blush, and these retail for $20. That's low expensive, and it's available in 8 shades. I'm gonna be using Joy on my right side. I don't know how much to put. And then Bliss on this side. And I think I'm gonna also use this on my lid since there's no eyeshadow. And a little bit here. Yo, this bitch is bugging. Like literally bugging. I'm gonna blend with this brush. She's very pigmented, clearly. But it's okay, I'm gonna leave it like this and then soften it up with a blender. And the reason I put it up here is because she doesn't have any like contouring products, so I'm just gonna go for like the blushy look. Okay, so I cleaned off the brush and now I'm gonna blend this side. Yeah, so now this is what I mean. I'm gonna blend it out. Ooh, the foundation looks so pretty once it's set. I'm using my regular powder, but I really like how the skin looks after I set it. And I feel like the product itself kind of set it very, very well on my skin. So I didn't really have to put that much powder. That's a plus. And then let's see what am I gonna do. Okay, and these are all the lippies. These are actually lip balms. So the lip balms is called With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. It retails for $16, this side right here. And it said it's a hydrating fuss-free balm that adds a hint of just kiss color and soft shine, available in 8 shades. And then this side right here is a, okay, and then this side is Lip Souffle Matte Lip Cream for $20. And it says it's a whipped lip cream that delivers comfortable one-stroke color with vivid velvet finish, available in 12 shades. So this is Praise. This is Blessed, Thankful, and this is Honor. This is pretty cool. I'm guessing this is like a moisturizing one. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you guys how one of them looks, and I'm just gonna swatch out the other one. I'm gonna be using Praise. That's so pretty. And literally a little bit went a long way. This is so nice whenever you just want like a little tint of color. And then I'm gonna swatch out Blessed. Not really my type of shade. And I kind of want to swatch out the last color, the Thankful. That's really pretty. Now I'm gonna swatch out the liquid lipsticks, but like kind of fast for y'all. So just. Okay, I really like their lippy formula. It's very velvety, just like it said it was. I don't think it dries down because I've had this for a minute, I don't think it's meant to dry down. I did line it up. I do kind of want to make it a little bit lighter. I'm gonna just put the shade Energized in the middle. And then the one that I have on my lip is Brave. I love how that looks. Let me just clean my finger. But this is great for like when you have a dry lip and you don't want to wear a liquid lipstick. This is great because it feels so smooth, like so freaking smooth. Okay, so now for the eyes, I'm gonna use the eyeliner. Okay, so I'm just gonna add lashes off camera, and I'm gonna use the Always an Optimist 4-in-1. 4-in-1. Okay, so this is the 4-in-1 Always an Optimist setting spray, and it's a glow boosting mist that hydrates, primes, sets, and refreshes skin. So you could basically use this at any time of your makeup routine, before, after, during, or during the day. And it says shake well, and it retails for $24. I don't know. Can't put my finger on it, but it smells like something. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so this is the final look with the lashes. I use the Beauty Creation lashes in She Fancy. Y'all can use my code Isabel at checkout to save. I really like the liner. I can tell you that right now. I think it has to be my favorite product of the whole package. The lippies, I love the formula. I love something that does not dry me down. I don't know how I feel about the sponge yet. I think I have to keep on using it. The foundation, again, I have to keep on using it. I don't know how I feel about it. I really like the concealer and the way that it applies, and the setting spray, or like the 4-in-1, I really liked it. It felt really lightweight, and it really like refreshed my face because it was like, it's hot in here, so I really like how that felt. Oh, and the cream blush I would also use again because I love the way that the formula blended and the way that it just like sticked to my face. I really like that. I love cream blushes so much. I think the lip balms for $16, I think you guys could just go get something that has kind of the same effect, which is like a little light lip tint with moisturizer. I don't think it's worth $16. That's just my opinion. The matte lip, definitely a must-have. Especially, I don't know what it is. It's just that it feels very bouncy, very airy, like fluffy formula on the lips. I love that. Like I said, the liquid liner has to be my favorite product out of this whole thing, and it's only $16. Oh, just kidding. It's $19. $19. I think this is definitely worth it. It does feel like it's waterproof. Usually I would have like little stains right here by now, but she's not transferring to my skin, so love that. The illuminating primer, I still have to try a couple more times. There's so many on the market. Like, I don't know if, how much is this for? Yeah, $26. I don't know if it's worth it. I would have to try it and like really see. I think it's more like I would use it without foundation, kind of when I'm trying to look like a little dewy, and then maybe a little bit of concealer. But in the beginning, my makeup looked a little like, I don't know how to explain it. I wouldn't say patchy, it just looked a little bit weird, so I had to like keep on pressing the foundation, and then it like really gave me that flawless effect. Don't know about that yet. This right here was very blinding. I love this. I can't wait to use it again. I want to use it under my foundation and then on top, just to get the full effect of like the glowiness that it's showing, because this shit looks blinding as hell. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys have any other products that you want me to try out here, let me know. I'm going absolutely nowhere, so I just got ready for you guys. Hopefully she comes out with an eyeshadow palette. I would have loved the eyeshadow palette, you know, to create like a really dope eye look, but you guys know I use the blush on the eyes, so that kind of looks cute, and it really looks like this is a look. Shout out to Rare Beauty for sending me their PR package and including me in this first launch. I love the brand. Thank you guys for including me, little old me. And shout out to Selena Gomez for representing us Latinas. I did keep it 1,000 with y'all because, I mean, like I said, I'm not getting paid. It's not sponsored. I just genuinely wanted to do this tutorial for you guys, and yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.